Former Mumbai top cop, did Parambir Singh play a key role in return of tainted cop Sachin Vaze? A report by Parambir Singh's successor, Hemant Nagrale, has now blamed Parambir Singh for bringing back Vaze and giving him a plum post after 16 years of suspension. India Today has now learned that while the orders to reinstate Vaze as Criminal Intelligence Unit Chief was issued by Joint Commissioner of Crime Milind Bamrambe, in fact, the officer had actually opposed to it initially. It was only after Parambir Singh's insistence that Vaze was made CIU chief despite Barambe's objection. The report highlights that Parambir also made way for Vaze, a junior cop, by shunting out two senior inspectors. The report also reviewed Vaze's role in the crime branch, where it noted how Vaze didn't report to anyone else but the former Mumbai top cop Parambir Singh. Meanwhile, Parambir has now been called to the NIA's office in Mumbai, where he's now going to be facing questioning regarding Sachin Vaze and the Antilia bomb scare case. Devesh joining us live, more details on that. Devesh, this is shocking. Hemant now submits a report to Uddhav Thackeray, and in that report, the blame is completely shifted on Parambir Singh for accusing him of reinstating Sachin Vaze, the tainted cop, after 16 years of suspension. It also further says that Parambir Singh was the man responsible to make Sachin Vaze the chief of the CIU unit, despite him being a junior officer, while two other senior cops were shunted for his post.
Nabila, here one has to notice the chronology of events. March 20, 2021. Parambir Singh writes to CM Uddhav Thackeray regarding Home Minister Anil Deshmukh and alleges that he had told Sachin Vaze and another ACP Sanjay Patil to collect extortion money from bars and restaurants in Mumbai. He had also given a target of rupees 100 crores as extortion collection for a month. On 30th of March, Hemant Nagrale, the successor of Parambir Singh, submits a report to the state government where he says that Parambir Singh had given a free hand to Sachin Vaze. Sachin Vaze only reported to Parambir Singh, while he had he never reported to any of his senior officers as per hierarchy in the Mumbai crime branch. It is also stated in the report submitted by Hemant Nagrale that Parambir Singh had orally issued instructions to Joint Commissioner of Police Crime that the officers of police inspector rank posted at CIU should be transferred and Sachin Vaze be made in charge of CIU. So these two senior officers, Sachin Vaze is the assistant inspector, they were transferred for...
Alright, so all these details have now been gathered by Uddhav Thackeray's team. They're going to be investigating this further, but as much as we are going to continue tracking this, I'm going to leave you right here. Do log on to indiatoday.in or download our app for more information on this. Stay tuned. On the other side, Chaiti Narula on a COVID special.